Hello and welcome to Zoom Phone Rollout for India. I am Simran Shivalkar, your host for today. I have with me Mr. Dinesh Parker. He is the head of IT for Mahindra Integrated Business Solutions. Well, Mr. Parker, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Well, firstly, I want to understand from you what brought you to this event, what were you expecting, and how has it been so far?
Okay, it's a very good event, I can say, and very happy to see the features which has been demonstrated for the Zoom phone. Okay, and since it is a new product and demonstrated very well, lot of integration with the apps, legacy apps and Teams is also available. So very excited about that.
Fantastic. Moving on, how important is platform integration from your perspective now that you're heading IT as well? We talk about calls, messaging, and meetings in your team's organizations when we talk about day-to-day productivity.
So definitely it is going to increase the productivity for all the users, being all the APIs, applications can be integrated in a single platform, and from where the users can access each and every application, getting productivity measured also by accessing how users can evolve on their time.
Correct.
Okay, yeah, and being not only the legacy application, as mentioned in the presentation, almost 3,000 applications are there which can be integrated, including the CRM and the dialer platform as well. So definitely it's going to increase the productivity of the users.
Superb. Lastly, you've already seen the glimpse of the product today being the launch day. What is your first impression of its potential when we talk about real world cases?
Yeah, so it is going to be very helpful because as Zoom phone has been introduced with the numbers also, because previously it was not there. So with the phone, because the agents, like in the call center scenario, we need to have a number in place from where the agents can call to our clients. Okay, so that will be going to be very helpful with the Zoom phone, that functionality, and along with that the security is also there and integration with the Teams is also there. So definitely it is going to be very impactful into the market.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Mr. Parker, for sharing your perspective and joining us today.
Thank you very much.